In this video, I'm going to show you how to create URL redirects in Shopify without any apps needed. All right, the first thing that you're going to have to do is go to your sales channel online store, and then you head over to navigation, you click navigation. Then when you click navigation, you click create URL redirect. And then what you can do is you can do a redirect from one to another and do that manually. Or what you can do is you can import some redirects. So go ahead and download the sample CSV file, and it's going to look like this. So if you don't have a bunch of 404 redirects or anything you want to redirect, you can just do it manually. But what I suggest is that you use something, this is what I use. You use Ubersuggest, and then you export the 404s to a CSV. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, so you can see here that I have all the 404s in a CSV. So I'm going to go ahead and copy these over. All right, I've copied them all over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through them and send them back to the collection page that they belong to. To make it easy, you could probably just do the home page, but I think it's a better user experience if you take the time and put them to the collection page. So you can run this through something like ChatGPT and say like line these up to the correct collection pages, but honestly, it's not that hard. There aren't that many here, so I'm just going to do it manually. Actually, I lied. I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so it's just doing it for me, and this is just so much easier. Okay, so now that's all done, I'm going to export this, and then I'm going to import it into Shopify. All right, I'm back in Shopify. I'm going to go add the file, and then I'm going to upload it. Okay, let me just give you an example of one first, just so you see that it works. Okay, 1 second. I'll show you one that let's do this one, okay? Copy. And then I'll show you what it looks like here. Okay, so 404, page not found. And then let's see what it looks like after. All right, allegedly it has been done. So let's refresh the page and see how it goes. All right, there we go. Okay, if you want any other SEO tips, I do have a free course. The link is in the description. I also do this for people. I do it for Shopify stores. So if you don't want to do it yourself, then just get in touch with me. Okay, bye.